everyone. Today we are going to use things that you can most likely find in your house to make a kaleidoscope. Normally kaleidoscopes have mirrors in them that help reflect the light. That's how you see all the cool colors when you hold it up to the light. But I don't have a mirror in my house, so I used aluminum foil instead. So it has a shiny material and the light bounces off of that. It kind of acts like a mirror. So all you're going to need is a Pringles can. And if you don't have like a Pringles can, you can use like an oatmeal can. Anything that's like a cylinder like this. And make sure it has a clear lid. Aluminum foil or anything shiny like that. Contact paper, but I don't have contact paper, so I'm going to cut up a baggie. Some glue. I have tissue paper and some glitter so you can see all the fun colors. And then you are going to want parents' help with this. You're going to need a hammer and a nail so you can make an eye hole so you can see all the cool colors. Alright, so what I did before is I took out a piece of foil and put it in my can. It's tight enough that I didn't have to tape it, but if yours is too loose, you might want to tape it. Now I'm going to hammer a hole at the bottom where it's sealed. And this will be, this is where you see out of. Alright, so we're just going to take that out. And be very careful when you use a hammer and nail, and make sure that you have an adult doing it or supervising you when you do it. Alright, now we're going to set that to the side. And now we are going to take our lid and your glue, and you are going to want to glue your glitter, tissue paper, those shiny beads, anything you have onto the bottom of the lid, so it's not outside when you put the lid back on. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to decorate that real fast and then we'll come back. Alright, so I put glitter on the inside of the lid, and I actually put tissue paper on the outside, and I let that dry a little bit. And then also I took my baggie and cut it down the seams, and then cut a circle about the size of the top of the can. And I glued more glitter and tissue paper on it, and I sandwiched the tissue paper and glitter together with another plastic baggie circle. So now we are going to take our plastic baggie circle. That's like your contact paper. I know a lot of people don't have contact paper, so. And then just put the lid on, and you should be able to move the outside lid. You should be able to see colors in there. And like I said before, normally a kaleidoscope has mirrors in it, which allows the light to reflect off of it. But since I don't have a little mirror to put in here, I decided to use aluminum foil instead, because it's shiny and it does about the same thing. So when the light comes in the top here, it bounces off the sides that's covered in aluminum foil. It comes back out the way it came, and that's how you see all the colors that you see. So I hope you guys try this out. If you do, make sure to tag us in it on Facebook or send it to us. I'll put our emails up above. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.